Hola artistas, Miss Corbusier here. For this first assignment, I want you to show me a collection, I would say, of different texture, okay? Different textures that you have around your home, okay? So if you watch the video that I put in there for the texture, the first module on texture, you then know now that there's two types of texture in art. The first kind of texture, it is real or actual texture. Okay, so in here I have a candle in a can, and then here I have actual texture. I can feel it. Okay, another texture in art, it is called implied texture. That is fake texture. It is like gives you the impression that that is the texture, but if you were to touch it, it might be probably on a piece of paper. So this is actual texture, but if I take a piece of paper and I put it over a particular item and I rub, in here I have a big piece of chalk, but it would work with anything, of course, and then I rub it, then there you have it. I have kind of like this texture, but it is 2D. I cannot feel it. If I just like touch it, I cannot feel it. So you can do a rubbing of different items around your house. I think this is very interesting too. I have in here a trash can. I have in here now a crayon that it's very similar in color, but I just want you to go around your home. This is one option for this assignment, and just rub different things and feel your paper with different textures. Let me see if you can see that green one over there. Let me see if I can do it a little bit harder. Maybe you have to do it over and over again. There I go. So go around the house and make a collection of different implied textures. This is one option. The other option, and you don't have to do it the same way I do it, but another option is to take a piece of cardboard, and what I do is I have in here also liquid glue, white glue, and I pour it over. I have a palette in here, but if you have lids at home that you are not using, in here I pour a little bit of glue. I'm taking my paintbrush. If you don't have a paintbrush and you have a Q-tip, cotton swab, that is, or your finger, you just can like put it in here on your piece of cardboard, and then you can stick in there, you can glue in there different things that you like. For example, I like beads, so what I'm gonna do in here, I happen to have beads at home. I'm just gonna sprinkle some beads in here where I have my where I put the glue. Okay, and then fill it with different things. If you have pom-poms, if you have another piece of cardboard, felt, stickers, I made in here a sample. Okay, and I also painted like over certain items in here. This is bubble wrap, this is felt. In here, what I just did, it was just like a rounded. Go and gather different textures, like actual textures, and then put it on a piece of paper, on a cardboard piece if you have it, and if you want to make it more fancy. And I even made this sample, it is kind of like a postcard kind of, so I really like to see different textures. So that's what I did with this sample for actual texture. But if you don't have that, and what you have to explore different texture is a piece of paper, you can go around your house and do frottages or rubbing on different items, and then you can show me that for this first assignment. What I want you to do is to explore different texture. textures. It doesn't matter how you do it, on a piece of paper or you create your own. Just show me what you have. Show me the textures that are interesting to you. And of course, do not forget to read the first model and to watch the video about texture. Have fun!